Good morning, everyone. I'm Devin with the latest news report. A couple of days ago, scientists Lana found out the biggest problem around the world is water scarcity and the problems of water pollution. Here's the interview and more facts about the major issue around the world.
Good morning, everyone. I am Sandrine, and this is Lana from the Science Department, and she will tell us about water pollution and water scarcity today. So, Lana, how are you?
Oh, I'm fine, thank you.
So let's get to the topic. Why should people care about water pollution and preventing it?
If you think water pollution doesn't affect you, then you're wrong. The pollution ends up hurting environments and poisoning animals that we may eat. On a more direct approach, it can even pollute drinking water, causing major health issues for a long period of time.
Wow. What causes water pollution?
Households, industrial, and agricultural practices produce wastewater that can cause pollution of many lakes and rivers. Damping of litter in the sea can cause huge problems. Litter items such as six-pack grain packaging can get caught in marine animals and may result in death. Industry is a huge source of water pollution. It produces pollutants that are extremely harmful to the people and the environment. Oceans are polluted by oil on a daily basis from oil spills, runoffs, and damping. And lastly, global warming causes an increase in water temperature can result in death of many aquatic organisms and disrupt many marine habitats.
I heard water pollution can cause problems in the economy. Is that true?
Water pollution can be damaging to the economy as it can be expensive to treat and prevent contamination.
Oh, so if people don't want to do anything about preventing water pollution, what would be the problem?
Water pollution is a very serious threat to our future. It destroys environments and creates other problems for our planet. Sometimes people don't seem to care about what happens to the water or the environment. They only care about themselves. If water pollution isn't stopped, it may get worse. Water pollution is something we should be concerned about because it's a form of pollution that is ruining many lakes, streams, rivers, and ponds. Water supplies are affected, and so are animals and people that rely on the water for drinking or living.
And the last question about water pollution and how we can, as a society, help prevent it.
There are many things that we can do individually to prevent water pollution, such as not throwing litter into streams, lakes, rivers, or seas. If you do spot litter on beaches or in water systems, after ascertaining that it is safe, collect them and dispose of them in any nearby waste disposal system. Also, actively conserve water by turning the tap off when you do not need running water, such as while brushing your teeth.
Well, that seems like a useful thing. It's a good thing to remember when you're brushing your teeth and you forget how much water you're actually wasting. So let's get on the last topic, which is a really big crisis, and many say it is water scarcity. There is so much water around the earth. Why is water scarcity such a big problem?
Although water is the commonest stuff on Earth, only 2.53% of it is fresh, while the rest is salt. And of the fresh water, 2/3 is locked up in glaciers and permanent snow cover. What is available in lakes, rivers, aquifers, and rainfall runoff is now increasingly coming under pressure from several directions at once.
How does this affect people and why should people care?
Developed countries manage the water crisis through funds for building dams, expensive technologies for recycling water, or even desalinizing seawater. Developing countries cannot do this. They have to choose between rationalizing water, a fact impeding economical development, and the reduction of food production and reuse of the untreated water, a fact that favors the spread of diseases. And for the moment, the water requirements are increasing everywhere. This is also linked with the growth of the population.
Yeah, that must be difficult in so many countries around the world. And we are getting towards the end, so the last question. How can we, as a society, help to resolve or at least try to help this problem get fixed?
There are many solutions that are necessary in order to reduce or solve the issue of water scarcity that the world faces today. Any action, whether it may be improving installation of water heating systems within the home or composing multinational treaties, is important and must be taken into consideration.
Well, thank you, Lana, for this very informational and wonderful interview. I hope your message will come to the people and encourage them to help issues over water scarcity and water pollution. I know I got my message. Well, back to Devin.
Well, that's all from the news. I'm Devin, and this was the latest news report. Thank you and have a great rest of the day.